जनमत कौल दीस हो गोयचे अस्मितायेचे नजरेन सामको म्हत्वाचो. ह्या दिसा सरकारान राज्य सरकारी सुवाळो जाहीर करचो म्हूण काँग्रेस मागता. हे विशीं चालू विधानसभा अधिवेशनात थाराव घाल्लो म्हूण विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी सांगता. जनमत कौल दीस फुडल्या वर्सा सावन राज्य सरकारी सुवाळो म्हणून मनोवपाचें मुख्यमंत्र्यान उतर दिलां. त्या उतराचेर काँग्रेसीन थाराव फाटीं घेतला.
Today, this day had to be known to our children, our future generation. कित्याक खास करून all these Asmitai's or these was forgotten, and in the last 60 years that it be celebrated with as a state function was something that I moved, and I thank all the members who spoke in support of the motion. I believe that this is a very good step in the interest of democracy, in the interest of कित्याक आयच्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता it is like a history created where this for so many years things were not put in place. How we do statehood celebrations and with full but opinion poll day is equal to Goa and Goans, as equal as our statehood day, because otherwise we would have not had our identity. Goa would have not been there. Pramod Sawant would have not been chief minister. We would have not been MLAs. But I thank all the MLAs, as I said again. I have been given an assurance by the Honorable Chief Minister that without stopping, this opinion poll day would be celebrated. This is a victory.